Hi, I'm Adam Maddox with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over a really nice machine. This is an older brand that's been around a very long time, American made. This is a Wysong press brake, Hydra-Mechanical, meaning it's going to give you a little bit different skills than most of these other machines. So you can see we'll go ahead and inch down on it. We have a foot as well as the dual palm operation. You can see we can inch down, get everything set up where you need to be. Really nice and smooth, quiet machine. We'll just go ahead and cycle it. This is a 35-ton, 6-foot. You can see over here on the side, this is where you're going to go ahead and change for your high-low adjustment. So when it's coming down, it's going to be a quick approach, slow form, and it shoots right back up. That kind of keeps for your production. You can see our back gauge here is a manual back gauge, meaning on the front we have a crank. What that does is it moves this back gauge in and out, allowing you to set up your stops and your jigs so that when you put your piece in, you can go ahead, hit it, and do repeating capabilities. But as you can see, everything's running really nice. Super smooth machine. We'll go ahead and show you the dual palm. All we have to do for that is switch this to palm. We still have to replace a button, it looks like, over here. This is a guaranteed fully functional machine. Everything's going to be checked out and working, as you can see. You can see we have a lot of different types of press brakes here. Here's an Amada up acting using different tooling, European tooling, American tooling. We do have some tooling here as well for press brakes, so let us know what you're looking for and we'd love to help you out. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. We have some great financing options there as well. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.